Hey guys, Mr. Lively here. I'm going to show you how to complete the Georgia map activity. I know the directions can be a little bit confusing, so we're going to go over it. So you're going to go to that website that's at the top of your paper there. So here's the activity paper here, Georgia map activity. Georgia map activity, supply the following information on the map at this link. So you're going to click on that link, and then you're going to click on the red button that reads create a new map. So if you go up here, you'll see right there is the red button that says create a new map. Click on that. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Click on that, and it's going to bring you up to this map. Well, what is the first activity that you're asked for? It says name this first layer cities and towns of Georgia. So you're going to come here, and here is where it says, well, first of all, let's name the map. Let's name the map, let's name it Georgia. And then let's put your name on it. So for me, I'm going to put Mr. Lively. I'm going to click Save. Then I'm going to click here where it says Untitled Layer, and I'm going to put cities and towns of Georgia. Okay, that gives me the first layer. All right, let's go back here. Let's look. Label these cities on the map. The first one is Dalton. Easy enough, right? So I go here, and I type in Dalton, D-A-L-T-O-N, and I'm looking for Dalton, Georgia, USA. It takes me there. I'm going to click right here and add it to the map. Now Dalton is on the map. Easy enough. Next one is the same way, Trenton. I'm going to type in Trenton. Again, Trenton, Georgia, USA. I'm going to click here, add to map. And you're going to repeat that for each city or town that's listed right here. Next one says star and label the capital city. What is the capital of Georgia? I'm going to wait. It's correct, Atlanta. I'm looking right here, Atlanta, Georgia, USA. I'm going to click there. I'm going to come over here, and I am going to click the Add to the Map button, but I'm going to do something extra. You see this bucket right here? Click on the bucket. Then you have all these other icon choices. I'm going to choose the star one, and then I'm going to make it this gold color. So now I know that's our capital. Sound good? That's it. So I finished that off. Now I'm going to do what it says next. Add a new layer and name it Physical Features of Georgia. So right here it says Add Layer. You're going to name it. Physical Features of Georgia. I'm going to click Save. Draw and label the following waterways. The first one is the Chattahoochee River. So you've got to find the Chattahoochee River. And guys, it begins way up here. That's Lake Lanier. It begins above Lake Lanier. You're going to keep going up. And you're going to keep going up. And I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to zoom in some more. To help you out here, I'm going to give you a hint. The Chattahoochee River is said to begin, it's a generally held wide belief that the Chattahoochee River begins right here at a place called Jack's Knob. So all you have to do is type in Jack's Knob right here, and that's going to be the beginning of the river. Again, Okay. And you can see it says Chattahoochee River right here. Okay. So here's what I want you to do then. Add marker. Like that. See right there, it says add marker. Click on that. And you see how you have a crosshair now? Boom, put that there. And I want you to put beginning Chattahoochee River. And click save. Click the bucket again. All right, let's pick an icon for it. This time we're going to put an X. And we're going to say OK. And we're going to make it red so we know that's where it begins. Okay. Then here comes the hard part. All right, let's get out of this. You see this, how this blue line comes right down through there? You're going to have to kind of follow that blue line, and you're going to have to draw a line. It doesn't have to be perfect. I don't expect it to be perfect. Okay? But you're going to hit the draw line right here. It says draw a line, and then you're going to come straight down. All right? Oops. Let me help to zoom out. And you see, look, am I following all the little crooks and crannies of everywhere? No, I am not. I'm going to use my arrow button to scroll down. And then I'm going to bring it on down. Scroll down some more. I'm going to kind of pull out here. And then it goes through Howland. From Howland, okay, it goes down here to Gainesville. That's what feeds Atlanta. Oops, not too far. From Gainesville, it feeds Lake Lanier, excuse me. From Gainesville, it's going to go down to Atlanta. From Atlanta, it's going to go down here to Columbus. See that lake right there? It's going to go right there. Then it's going to follow the border. You can't see me, can you? It's going to follow the border between Georgia and Alabama. It's going to start making the border, the southern border, okay, the southern and western border of Alabama and Georgia, and it's going to go all the way down to the state line right here. And guys, that's all I want you to do. See, I didn't follow every little crook and turn and everything, okay? Now then, see how that changed? See how it's a crosshair now? And see how it changed to a pointing finger? Use that pointing finger to click on the end of it here, and then this is how you're going to name it. And this is the Chattahoochee River. You're going to click on there. Chattahoochee River. You're going to click Save, and then you're going to click on the bucket. Rivers are with water, so we're going to make it blue. Which blue we want? How about that blue? And then we're going to make it just a little bit wider so we can see it on our map. Sound good? That's it. Okay. That is it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't make this any more difficult than what it's supposed to be. Okay. Same thing over here for the Savannah River. I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint. That's what you get for watching the videos. You get hints. The Savannah River begins right here in this lake. Okay. So if you zoom into this lake, Savannah River begins right there. Okay. And it makes the border between Georgia and South Carolina. And you're going to do the same thing that what you did for the Chattahoochee River. You're going to do the same thing for the Savannah River. Again, I don't expect you to follow every little turn and crook, all right? But I do expect it to kind of follow along right down through here. It goes through Augusta, it goes down to Savannah, then it comes out into the ocean right here, okay? So same thing like you did there. All right, after that, and the Ogeechee Swamp is the next thing. Where is the Ogeechee Swamp located? Well, if you don't know, guess what you can do? You can type it in right here. Ogeechee Swamp, right there, Georgia, USA. And then you can zoom out, and you can see where it is. Now then, you notice it crosses the state line right here. All right, we're only concerned with the part that's in Georgia. So here's what you're going to do. Back to draw a line. First part's going to be right here, and then here, and then here. See how I'm just kind of encircling everything. Is it going to be perfect? No, it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to give everybody a very good representation of what makes up the Ogeechee Swamp. Now then, you see what happened there? What happened there? It changed colors. So we're going to label that. Oh, see, look, I misspelled. How did I mess it up? Oh, there we go. Fixed it. Click save again, and then we're going to make this a swamp. So we're going to kind of turn it how about we turn it a light green color? Oh, we can't see. Oh, and then I can change how dark it really is, or is it? Okay. Makes sense? So there we go. So now we have the Ogeechee Swamp on there, and it's even labeled. We can add that to our map as well. Okay. Next, what's next on our activities? Label the ocean that borders Georgia. Pretty simple enough. Label and the following barrier islands. Tybee Island. Simple, guys. Go back here. Type in Tybee Island, Georgia. Just like you did with the cities. It pops up right there. Oh, wait. What did I do wrong? Oh, these are still physical features, so I'm still in the right spot. So I didn't mess up the way I thought I did. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add it to the map. And I'm going to go down through there. There are 14 barrier islands. We're going to add all 14. Next one says label and color to fall line. Guys, same thing. If you put in fall line, Georgia, I don't think anything's going to come up. Nope. See? It's just a bunch of random places. All right. So what you have to know is that it starts in Columbus. So that's one of your cities that you've already labeled. Columbus, Georgia. You've already labeled that. We didn't do it the first time, but you would have. All right. And that's the reason why Macon is on here. Or I'm sorry, Milledgeville. Milledgeville would be the next place. Milledgeville, Georgia. Next place after that would be Augusta, Georgia. Now then, if I zoom out, oh, okay, Milledgeville I didn't add it to the map. And then Columbus would have already been added to the map. And then if I zoom out, I thought I added Augusta. So now I have those three cities labeled. All I have to do is come right here and say draw a line. And all I have to do is draw a line that goes between those three places. And that's the fall line. Again, you see how it's the plus sign. If I go back to a pointing finger, it lets me label it. Fall line. Now, is this perfect? Is this a perfect representation of where the fall line is? Nope, but it's a good representation. It's just a good way to say I know where it is. What color we want? We want to make that gold, and we'll make it real wide so everybody can see it. Okay. And then we're done. Done with the fall line. Labeled Brasstown Bald and Appalachian Mountain Range. Brasstown Bald. If I can spell, huh? Look, it pops up. Brasstown Bald. Okay. Highest point in Georgia. Right? Gonna add it. Let's change it. Let's change this icon. What could we change it to? How about the X? We'll put the X there, and let's make it red too. Okay. Brasstown Bald. If you put in Appalachian Mountains, I don't think anything is going to come up. Appalachian Trail pops up. Okay. Appalachian Trail Southern Terminus, it pops up. And it starts in what mountains? Appalachian Mountains. Okay. Guys, this whole region right here, again, we're just going to come over here and we're going to add the line. We're going to do the same thing like we did in the swamp. And we're just going to kind of outline everything. Again, is this going to be a perfect representation, a perfect map? No. Went too far and went all the way into South Carolina. I wasn't paying attention. I was too busy talking to you guys. Oh well. See, that's the reason why you should pay attention. I'm gonna name that Appalachian. Oops, I misspelled it. Imagine that. It's okay though. There it is. Appalachian Mountains. And we say these are the Blue Ridge Mountains, so let's make those a real light color of blue. Okay? And that's what you're going to do. That's it. Sound good? Okay. Now you're going to add a new layer and you're going to add the regions of Georgia. So again, come here, add layer. It's going to pop up, label it, regions of Georgia. Again, you're going to use this drawing tool right here. You've got Trenton labeled right here. That's one of your cities. Dalton is labeled right here. You've already done your studies. You know good and well that it includes Walker County and parts of Chattahoochee County. So you know how to bring it down. So you're just going to kind of draw around, add a line or shape. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know it includes Lookout Mountain. And then you're going to come right straight down through here. And it also includes Cloudland. And then you're going to come back up here, finish the triangle. This would be your Appalachian Plateau. You guys are going to find out that I don't know how to spell plateau. Oh, got it right. Hit save. And pick a color you want to make it. Make it orange. Make our border width a little bit more so it kind of stands out. And you're going to go through there. The next one is the Ridge and Valley region. The Ridge and Valley region is going to come right over here, all the way over to Chatsworth. And then it's going to come down. Oops. Too far. Down to about right here. And then it's going to cut over probably about right here. Come back up. Come here. Now, is this exact? Absolutely not. It's good enough for us to know where it is. Ridge and valley. Save. Gonna make that, I don't know what color we want to make it. We'll make it kind of reddish looking, orange. Next one is the Blue Ridge region. Now look, we've already got most of the Blue Ridge region. We've already got it because it's made up of the Appalachian Mountains. So most of it is already made up. So we just have to kind of come over here, down to here, up to there. Label it Blue Ridge. Actually, we can't make it blue because we wouldn't be able to see. So let's just keep that light gray. Let's keep that light gray right there. Let's increase our border so we can see our border better. And that will help us out. Could increase our border here too. That will help us out. Okay. And I guess I need to make that a different color. It's almost the same color. There we go. So that'll help out. All right, guys, and then you would do the same thing for the Piedmont region, and then you'd come down here and you do the same thing for the coastal plains. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Okay, guys? All right.